Hello everybody, my name is Austin from Lifeproof Grooming, and today I'm going to talk about basic beard maintenance. Whether you're dealing with a full-on beard or stubble or a clean-shaven look, whatever you do, your facial hair is going to require maintenance. And today, as you can probably tell, I haven't done much maintenance for a little while, and that's because I've been saving up for this video so I can show you exactly how I maintain my beard, as well as the kind of tools and products that I use to keep my beard looking clean, fresh, and professional, which it obviously doesn't right now. So when it comes to beard maintenance, there are two general categories. The first one is beard grooming, and the second one is beard conditioning. So when we're talking about beard grooming, we're actually talking about managing the shape and the quantity of hair that is in your beard. So anytime you do some kind of shaving or clipping or trimming or anything like that, you're actually managing the amount of hair in your beard. But anytime you use some kind of product, like a hydrating product like beard oil or beard balm, or a styling product like beard wax, then you're doing conditioning to your beard. So when we're talking about basic beard maintenance, let's start with beard grooming and the kind of tools that you need to shape and style your beard exactly the way you want it. I'll even give you an example by showing you how I maintain and how I groom my own beard, and then we'll move into the products that you can use to condition your beard after you're done grooming it. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first and most obvious tool that you're going to need for beard maintenance is a trusty set of clippers, trimmers, or whatever tool really that you prefer to shape your beard and control your hair length. It's important to choose a trimmer with adjustable settings so you have the freedom of options when trying new or different styles. Overall, a quality trimmer will make the job of sculpting your perfect beard and neckline or cheek lines just way easier. So next, we're going back to the basics with the traditional beard comb. A beard comb is small with fine tines so you can easily manipulate it and shape your beard the way that you want. Next, you'll want to consider a small pair of grooming scissors. Now, I actually don't have a pair of grooming scissors. I actually use a pair of scissors that you can find on like a Swiss Army knife because they're about the right size and easy to use. But generally, a pair of grooming scissors is smaller and more controllable than regular craft scissors are. Alright, so those are the basic beard grooming tools. Now let's move on to beard conditioning tools, starting with classic beard oil. Now beard oil is going to hydrate, soften, and add a sheen to your beard, and acts as an excellent precursor to beard balm. Now this Volt beard oil is the new 2 Peak scent. It smells like pine and patchouli and will provide a light fragrance for up to 5 hours. This stuff is quick to absorb, it's non-sticky, and it smells awesome. So next up is Volt Beard Balm. Volt Balm not only hydrates and conditions your beard like beard oil, but it also gives you some hold and some styling ability due to the various waxes and butters that are in the ingredients. And as you can see, the balm is also available in 2 sizes. So now on to beard wax. Beard wax is more of a specialty product because it is solely for styling. It creates a super strong hold in your beard and lets you shape and mold your beard into whatever style you want. And last but not least in the beard grooming game is beard color. Now with Volt Beard Color, you can cover gray hairs, rock a salt and pepper look, fill patches, or just use it as kind of a natural touch-up to fill certain areas. It's actually how I'm going to be showing you how to use it today. Alright, so this may be traditionally more of a hair product, but you can certainly use it for your beard too. This is Volt Surf Salt Spray. It's a sea salt based spray that gives your hair volume and texture. It also helps your hair fight the drying effects of salt by combining sea kelp, activated charcoal, and more to offer the highest quality salt spray available. So now that we kind of described the products that you can use, the tools and products for grooming and conditioning your beard, let me demonstrate how I use these tools and products to clean myself up and get on top of my beard game. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my trimmer and define a neckline for my beard. You want the neckline to follow a relatively straight line from one side of your jaw to the other, going straight across your neck. Then I'm going to turn the razor upside down to avoid irritation and just trim the hair up to this line. Next, I'm going to clean up my jawline. I'm going to be trimming the hair that comes past my jaw closer to the ear and just creating a point where the jawline touches my neckline. Next, I'm going to define my cheek lines from my ear to the corner of my mouth. I'm just going to trim the hair that is above that line. Next, I'm actually going to be using my adjustable guard to give my beard a uniform length. I usually use about 5 millimeters of length, but if you're really trying to pronounce your jawline, let the hair around your chin actually stay longer than the hair on the sides of your beard. This makes your chin appear larger and more robust, and makes the jawline seem more defined and masculine. Alright, Now I'm going to be using a separate attachment for my trimmer to get a closer shave on my neck and cheeks to really just emphasize and clean up the look so there's a defined difference between my neck and beard line. And last but not least, the last step I have for grooming is to take my pair of scissors and just trim the mustache so that no more of those pesky hairs get in my mouth or extend past my lip. And that will pretty much be that for beard grooming. Next, we're going on to beard conditioning. So first off, staying in the same order is beard oil. You'll have to use a different amount of beard oil depending on how large your beard is. My beard is fairly short, so 2 to 3 drops is plenty for me, but just rub it around in your hands and begin to massage it into your beard like so. Alright, so next up is beard balm. Now that the oil has had time to absorb, the beard balm will give me some styling edge to my beard, as well as just further conditioning and hydrating like the beard oil did. All you have to do is take a fingernail-sized portion, melt it in your hands, rub it around, and begin the same process of rubbing it through your beard. And after using the beard balm, I always comb my beard and find that the once kinked and gnarled hair is actually smoothed out and orderly again thanks to the comb and the balm. Alright, next up is beard color. I may not have any gray hair yet, but my beard is particularly light colored around the edges of my mustache. So to give my beard a fuller appearance, I'm actually going to just fill in my mustache a little bit and make it match the color and the darkness of the rest of my beard to give it a uniform look. And remember, when it comes to beard color, a little goes a long way, so you don't need to use too much of it. And last but not least is the sea salt spray. Now, although I'm not using it in my beard this time because my beard is already being controlled by the beard balm, I will use the sea salt spray in my hair just to clean myself up a little bit and give my hair some good texture and volume. Alright, so there you guys have it, my entire grooming regimen. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have a second, just like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified every time we have another awesome video coming your way. And if you're interested in any of the other awesome products that I showed you here in this video today, head over to voltgrooming.com where you can find out a lot more about each of those products, what they do, the ingredients, and how they work. In fact, in the description of this video, I linked to a quiz where you can actually go find out exactly which beard color is perfect for you, as well as which fragrance for Volt products is perfect for you. So I hope this informed you guys a little bit more on basic beard maintenance, as well as the tools and products that are available to you to fit your style and help you groom your beard. And just leave us a comment telling us what part of your beard grooming regimen or beard maintenance regimen is your favorite and why. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.